Melania Trump has been kind of under fire for the last few days for statements she made while visiting a children's hospital, saying something to the effect that, let the gift of nature help to heal children and sick people across this country. Here's the thing. We do know there is scientific evidence that does support the fact that there are natural remedies for certain things within nature, and even being exposed to the outdoors has been proven to ease depression and help certain medical ailments. Now, it's not going to do anything to touch cancer. It's not going to do anything to help with leukemia or diabetes, but that's not the point. While Melania Trump is visiting this children's hospital, talking about children's health, she is ignoring the fact that her husband and the party that her husband is now at the head of is trying to strip health care coverage away from millions of children in the United States. If the current budget reconciliation bill that includes the tax subsidy repeals for the Affordable Care Act, if that goes through, we're looking at 4.5 million children in the United States who will instantaneously not have health insurance. 4.5 million children. 8 million adults will immediately lose their ability to pay for health care coverage. And that's just the start. That is just from this one piece of budget legislation. At the end of the day, once all this is said and done and Republicans successfully repeal the Affordable Care Act, 13 million children in the United States will no longer have health care insurance. What is the gift of nature going to do for them? And I'm not trying to demean what Melania Trump said. I know she said it with the best of intentions, may not have come out completely clear. But the fact is that she's out there talking to sick kids while her husband and the Republican Party is attempting to punish sick children for no reason. There is no reason to strip health insurance away from 13 million children in this country. We've already seen a reduction in SNAP benefits, in Medicaid coverage, and now they're trying to take away the Affordable Care Act too. It's like the Republicans have some kind of war against children. For being the pro-life party that seems to love kids as long as they're in a uterus, they sure don't give a damn about them once they're born, because they're doing as little as possible to help, and they're trying to actually repeal the few helpful things that we do have in this country. I don't understand it. I try to wrap my head around this. Why do Republicans hate children? So this story is not about what Melania Trump said, or how she said it, or how anybody has misconstrued it. It's the fact that she was speaking to sick children, trying to give them hope, at the same time that her husband and the Republican Party were trying to take away hope from millions of children